What is going on YouTube? I am back with another video, and we have Vipers, McLarens, Skylines, Vipers, Corvettes, Vipers, GTRs, BMWs, and everything. I'm going to show you all the cars that are out here. One of the craziest shows I've been to since I've been in the Middle East. Got a DC Ford Viper, another Viper with nitrous. I'm trying to think of all the cars I've already seen. Either way, everything 1320 happens right here. Let's check it out. One of the craziest spec'd out ACRs I've ever seen. Orange with the carbon, DC forged wheels, big wing. I'll take this over any of the cars any day, but a beautiful spec ACR right next to a crazy 650S with the carbon hood. Then of course a bagged Mustang with the Ferrados. Those are the same Ferrados I had on the Challenger. But let's get into some of these cars. So the first couple, GTRs. You got a big GTR with a wing, brass wheels, Nardo gray, next to a Viper with nitrous. I actually saw this at the last car meet. You see the two bottles in the back. Carbon. And then you have a nice Z51 5.2 liter LS3. Super clean. And we have another Viper with the ACR paint, and you can see it is a ACR. Big wing. Getting into some more of the GTRs. Crazy plate, carbon hood, blue GTR. One of my favorite colors that are spec'd on these things. Supers, station wagons, and even the forged wrap carbon Nissan. And this very well spec'd out BMW. Satin black, all the carbon. You can see carbon hood, orange seats. Not sure if you can see that. Orange seats with the 3-piece wheel. This is a clean G80. I believe it's a G80. Don't kill me in the comments. I think it's an M4 two-door. And then we have another M4 with the Nardo gray, orange seats again. And then this is the craziest color combo that BMW comes stock with, that blue and lime green BMW M3 competition. I could have just read what that was on the grill, right? You got a nice Subaru, and of course your Z01. So if you guys been following me for a while, you guys now know I switched over to the LT4 platform, and right in front of me, behind you guys, are a bunch of Corvettes. Yes, I fell in love with Chevy. I'm still a Mopar guy at heart, but a lot of these Corvettes and Chevy platforms can go crazy fast or cheap. Let's take a look. When I say there's Z06s and Corvettes all the way up to the top, they have everything, including my favorite spec Z06, the yellow, the banana yellow. Can't go wrong, sorry, with that. All generations, another Z06 in the burgundy, a red Z06, and then this chalk white, Nardo gray, chalk white Stingray with some Ferrata wheels, big Ferrata fan. Another C6 Z06, they're just everywhere. And of course, one of my favorite ones, one of my favorite wheels, big fat radials in the back. And then of course, a satin matte black Corvette Z51 C8. But that is Corvette Row. Let me know what your favorite Corvette. Something I spotted from the entrance as it came in was this white STO. Crazy specced out Lambo. Big brakes, white and red. Carbon bucket seats. spec. Look at the arrow. Right next to another Dodge Viper with a big tire on the rear. Track Beast next to a Track Beast. Then you have another, don't mind the music, hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but a ZR1 next to the craziest spec ZR1. You see the carbon, chrome wheels in the blue, clear hood. This is who started the clear hood, not you Hellcat guys. But one of the baddest C6 ZR1s I've ever seen. You also know I'm a big Porsche guy. And it has almost the BBS style wheels, but they're 4-star. In a white and black spec. Next to one of the craziest purples I've actually ever seen. I believe this is an M2. Yes, an M2. And for you Scat Pack guys, we got one. That way you can say I showed love. But overall, there's a bunch of cars, food trucks everywhere. Like I said, if you're watching this video, we're actually at a drag race, so you guys can check out my next video as well and see some of the racing. But again, they even have Mustangs, drift cars. Just let me know what your favorite car was. As we leave the car show, let me know what your favorite car was. I think Spectile Viper was mine. We're gonna go check out some racing, so make sure you check out my next video or check a few videos out from this event. It's a 2-day event. Probably get 5 or 6 videos out of it. Finally, the car season is back, so make sure you tune in. And